The differences between Taiwan and Ukraine. Why Taiwan is not Ukraine. The Russian invasion of Ukraine has drawn comparisons to the situation in Taiwan. Both involve a powerful authoritarian country attacking its democratic neighbor due to historical proximity. However, it is important to recognize that Taiwan and Ukraine are fundamentally different in many ways. The next few minutes will explore the disparities between the two situations and why Taiwan is not Ukraine. Population and size. One of the key differences between Taiwan and Ukraine lies in their population and size. Russia has 3 times the population of Ukraine, while China has 60 times more people than Taiwan. Additionally, the Russian economy is significantly larger than Ukraine's, with China's economy being 22 times the size of Taiwan's. In terms of landmass, Russia is 28 times larger than Ukraine, and China is 265 times larger than Taiwan. Military strength. When comparing military capabilities, China far surpasses Taiwan in terms of size and power. China has upwards of 2 million active duty troops, 33,000 fighters, and 59 submarines, while Taiwan has 160,000 troops, 560 fighters, and 4 submarines. China's defense budget in 2020 was $244 billion compared to Taiwan's $11 billion. Despite these disparities, experts in the defense community believe that a Chinese invasion of Taiwan would be extremely challenging. Potential invasion scenarios. If China were to invade Taiwan, there are several potential scenarios. One possibility is a Cuba-style blockade, while another involves seizing smaller islands on Taiwan's periphery. However, the most likely sequence of events would involve China bombing critical Taiwanese infrastructure, followed by an attempt to establish air superiority. This phase would be challenging, as seen in Ukraine, even for a larger and more powerful attacker. The subsequent amphibious assault would face significant obstacles due to Taiwan's mountainous terrain and urban areas. Logistical challenges. An invasion of Taiwan would present significant logistical challenges for China. Moving a large number of troops simultaneously is no easy feat, and the operation has been nicknamed the Million-Man Swim. Taiwan would have ample time to prepare for an invasion, as experts estimate the world would have 30 to 60 days of warning. Taiwan's tall and irregular coastline, combined with its defenders' advantage, would make an invasion even more difficult. The status quo. Despite tensions between China and Taiwan, the status quo remains preferable for all parties involved. China sees Taiwan as a renegade province and a source of unfinished business, while the United States must navigate the issue carefully to avoid upsetting China. Taiwan, on the other hand, faces the burden of being denied the privileges and recognition of statehood. For now, all parties have decided that the status quo is better than the alternative. Conclusion. While comparisons can be drawn between the Russian invasion of Ukraine and the situation in Taiwan, it is crucial to recognize the significant differences between the two. Taiwan's population size and military capabilities, combined with its challenging terrain, make an invasion by China a formidable task. The status quo remains the preferred option for now, but the unpredictability of China's actions and the potential for change in the future cannot be ignored. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.